Okay, welcome back to this episode. We're still on cell series or cytology series. Okay, I want us to look at organelles in full, in details. Okay, you know, we listed I think we listed different organelles in the last video. But I want us to start with one of the structures we have before we move inside to see the organelles. I want to start with the cell membrane. The cell membrane, as the name implies, we say cell membrane. Of course, this is a covering. Okay, the covering of the cell. I don't mean the organelles, like the organelle membrane. Okay, I mean the cell membrane. So this one covers the cytoplasm or the environment of the cell. That with me. And of course, being a cell membrane is differentially permeable, or so called semi-permeable or selectively permeable, which means it functions to allow the movement of materials, okay, in and out of the cell. And being selective permeable, it means that it has to select the material that leaves or enters the cell for better or effective function of the cell. Okay, and it's seen in both animals and in plants. Okay, it is a membrane which a covering which is semi-permeable. It allows fluids to go out and come in, but not everything can go out easily and come in easily. Okay, so when it comes to the cell membrane, in biology is actually known as also known as plasma lemma or plasma membrane. Just like I said, it covers the cytoplasm. Of course, in the cytoplasm, which is the space of the cell, there is this part known as the cytosol, okay, which is the liquid part of the cell. With me. Then this cell membrane, we look at the structural aspect of cell membrane. We find out that the cell membrane is made up of two things, majorly the lipids and the protein. It contains about 75% of lipids, which is being sandwiched, is being joined. Okay, the phospholipids are being joined. The head and the tail are being joined by integral proteins. Okay, and of course we also have the peripheral protein on the cell membrane. Thank you. Thanks for watching. So the cell membrane is seen in both plant and animal because of the functionality, what they do. Thank you, and let's look forward to the next episode. God bless you.